Hey guys, so today we are making chocolate dipped strawberries with two ways. One with a crunchy chocolate coating and the other with soft chocolate coating, which is ganache. And hopefully you can pick which one you like to go for at the end of this video. So without further ado, let's get started. They look beautiful. So the very first tip is to lay a parchment paper or something non-stick on a tray so that the strawberries come off easily later. So let's start from the crunchier coating. Melt dark chocolate with hot water. When you do this, it is very important that no liquids or dirt go into the chocolate because the condition gets very bad when even a small amount of water go in. So use a bowl that is big enough and mix gentle. Once it's completely melted and looks smooth, add oil. So this is optional, but by adding oil, it flows better, you can coat more thinly, it's easier to handle, and it will be a bit softer. So if you like a very crunchy one, you do not need to add oil. I used 55% COUVERTURE chocolate today, so I like to cool it down until you will not feel anything when you touch it with a finger. Now move it into a smaller, deeper cup or bowl so that it will be much easier for you to dip in. Grab the lid with hands well so that it will not fall, and toss excess chocolate like that so that the coating is not going to be too thick. I personally don't like thick coating for chocolate covered strawberries. And when you do this, place the pretty side facing up. And make sure that the chocolate is not dripping at all anymore before you place the strawberries so that the chocolate is not going to start spreading on the ground. If you like, attach some sprinkles or gold leaf while they are still wet. Now let's do the soft coating. So first, melt chocolate just like how we did earlier. And meanwhile, heat up heavy cream until it gets very warm, like a hot bath, which is very important so that the chocolate will not get hardened when you add it. Add about 1/4 of the cream first and mix very gentle. It is very important that you do not mix too fast here so that the air bubbles are not going in too much because they do not look very present when we use the ganache as coating. And every time you add a cream, mix until they are completely blended, until they look very smooth and shiny. If you don't do this, you will see pieces of chocolate chips in the finished ganache, so it's very important. Don't forget to clean up the bowl and spatula frequently on the way too. And add oil. Again, once it's cold, move into a smaller bowl or cup. I used a bigger bowl than the crunchy coating, but there is no meaning here. I should have used the smaller cup also. The tips are same as the crunchy coating. Toss well and make sure it's not dripping when you place them. So the result is going to look drastically different depending on what kind of chocolate you use. A lot of times when you go to a grocery store, some chocolate do not say the percentage and just say white, milk or dark chocolate. But a lot of the good quality chocolate like COUVERTURE chocolate often say or almost always say the percentage of cacao inside. When the percentage is higher, the coating will be crunchier and more bitter. So today I used 55% COUVERTURE chocolate, but let's say I use 80% COUVERTURE chocolate and the coating will be crunchier and a lot more bitter. So ultimately you can just pick the percentage you like as your preference. Instead of dark chocolate, when you use white chocolate or milk chocolate with the same amount of cream, the ganache will be way too soft and it will not work. In that case, you will need to decrease the amount of heavy cream and to adjust the thickness, or just don't add cream at all and just use chocolate, just straight chocolate. With the crunchier coating, you can enjoy the straight flavor of chocolate, and when you want to enjoy the texture, this is the way to go for you. And with the soft coating, it tastes sweeter because of the cream, and it adds very deep flavor that matches so well with strawberries. Very hard to pick which one I liked better. It's really a preference, so try both when you have time and enjoy comparing. Let me know if you like this better or this one.
This one.
Yummy, isn't it?
I like the other one.
You like the other one?
No, this one.
You like this one? Oh. First one or this one?
This one.
That one? What's the difference?
There is chocolate chip in this.
Oh yeah, it's crunchier. Like crunchier? He's so cute. I went to a grocery store and accidentally found this white strawberries. They look like nice peachy color. Cheers. It's soft, it's sweet. I may be crazy. It tastes slightly like a peach, like slightly, maybe like a 10%. Maybe like a 20%. The smell is not as strong as like your strawberries. If you try, also comment, share your feedback and see if you agree or if you don't agree. You could dip regular strawberries in dark chocolate and dip this strawberries in white chocolate, and that would be a nice contrast. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please share your comment with me and I'll see you in my next video next week. Bye bye.